Sesame Street Cookie Monster's foodie truck. To start, press the... Hiya! It's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong. And we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What do you want to make? Go tap Oscar's mushroom and pineapple pizza. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and mushrooms.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing mushroom.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the mushroom farm. Come on, let's drive to the mushroom farm. Tap to start driving. We on our way to the mushroom farm. We made it to the mushroom farm. Collect the mushrooms. Go ahead, tap to collect the more mushrooms. You a good collect.
Let's get cooking.
To make mushroom and pineapple pizza, first roll out dough.
Roll your dough. Now spread the tomato.
Oh, yeah. Now, oh, yeah.
Then chop the pineapple. Chop. Choppity chop.
Next, chop cowabunga.
Then I'll put it into the oven to bake. Gong the gong. Go ahead. Tap to gong the gong. It's ready.
Now, it's time to send to Oscar.
Launch the catapult. Oscar, it's pizza time. What shall we make now?
Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Elmo's peanut butter banana and honey sandwich. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh no, looks like we're missing peanut butter. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the peanut butter factory.
We're going to the peanut butter factory.
We on our way to the peanut butter factory.
We're here at the peanut butter factory.
Peanut butter is made from peanuts that are grown on a farm. Then they're sent to the factory to become peanut butter. Help make the peanut butter. Go ahead, tap. Ooh.
Way to go. Now, let's make some food.
To make peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh, yeah. Then peel the banana.
Now chop. Choppity chop.
Now add the honey. Oh, yeah.
And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong time! Go ahead! Tap it's ready!
Now it's time to send to Elmo. Order up. Enjoy you sandwich, Elmo.
What shall we make now?
Go ahead, Rosita's Tacos. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need tortillas, beans, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing onion.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the farm. We're going to get onion. We're going to get onion. We're here at the farm.
Collect the onions. Go ahead, tap to collect the onions. You a good collector.
There's another.
Okay, we got the onions. To make tacos.
First, we spread the beans.
Oh, yeah. Then chop the tomatoes.
Chop, choppity chop. Now, we chop the onions.
Next,
Make sure to get it all over. Yeah, we fold it in half. Guns away! Go ahead. It's ready.
now it's time to send to Rose.
Launch the catapult! Rosita, here's some tasty tacos.